In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend an image into the background color in PowerPoint. This is a handy technique for making your presentations look more professional and seamless by creating cohesive visuals. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that you not only follow along easily, but also understand why we're doing each action. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. I recommend making sure that your software is up to date, as sometimes new features or improvements can make a big difference in usability. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation in which you'd like to blend your image. Once you are in the correct presentation, head over to the Insert tab on the toolbar at the top of your screen. This is where you can find various options to add content like pictures, charts, and other media to your slides. Now go ahead and click on Picture. From there, you'll want to choose Stock Image. PowerPoint offers a nice selection of stock images that you can use without worrying about image rights. Select the image you'd like to blend into your background. Once you've found the perfect picture, click on Insert. Be patient, as it might take a moment for the download to finish, especially if the image is high resolution. Once it's downloaded, you can resize your image to fit your slide by clicking and dragging the corners of the image. With your image set, head back to the Insert tab and select Shape. You'll see a menu with various shapes you can add to your slide, but for this task we're going to add a rectangle shape. Once you've added your rectangle, resize it to fit precisely over your image. This will be the tool we use to blend the image smoothly into the background. Right click on your shape and choose Format Shape from the context menu. This brings up a new set of formatting options. From here, select Gradient Fill. This feature allows us to add a gradient that can mirror the colors of your background and image seamlessly. Next, direct your attention to the color gradient arrows within the Gradient Fill section. These arrows determine the colors that make up your gradient. Click on each arrow to access the color options. You can use the eyedropper tool to select colors directly from your slide, both from your image and the background. Carefully adjusting each section will help your image blend in naturally, creating a polished and professional appearance. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to blend an image into your PowerPoint slide background, enhancing the overall look and feel of your presentations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make more visually appealing and engaging PowerPoint presentations.